So it looks like I could enter whatever information I want into Excel.
That's right. It's primarily designed for shorter bits of data. In other words, you don't want to write a report or an essay here, but let's get started looking at the types of data you can put in.
Okay.
We started a budget worksheet. I have a friend who asked for some help in setting up a budget. They're just getting started and need a little guidance. So let's set up a budget worksheet for them. So first of all, you'll notice that we typed in income in A2. We actually just want to put in the word yearly here. So I want you to replace that. Now all you have to do is just start typing. You don't have to delete that word first. If you want to type something new in a cell, just start typing. So type in the word yearly, and we'll put a colon after it. And then enter, and underneath it we're going to type in monthly. And we're just going to enter a few additional headings as well. And then click beside item. And I want you to type in JAN for January. We're just going to start with the first month. So you've entered some headings. Now let's put in a few numbers. The yearly income is $36,000. So just click there in B2 and type in 36 and 3 zeros. And we'll just enter when you're done. And then the rent is $850.
For some reason, the numbers are shifting to the right.
Exactly. Now, Excel is looking at the type of data you're typing in. So when it sees a letter, it says, oh, I bet that's text. And so it knows text goes on the left of the cell. But when you start with the number, it says, that's a number. I'm going to put that on the right. So text is left aligned, numbers are always right aligned. Now, we'll talk about formatting later. You can always change that, but that's absolutely what you're going to see as the default.